Good morning and welcome to the 2017 Blacktown Kids Early Learning Conference.
That you are giving and you're believing in what you are doing, and each one of you need to be congratulated.
That you'll be able to take away to feed into your thinking, into the important work that I know that you do day in, day out as you work towards continually improving your practice.
Is recognising that the children we're dealing with, they're going to be working in a very different world to the world we live in now. And the world that they're going to be working in, we don't even know what that exists.
So these early measures of educational attainment are very significant in predicting future success.
I'm here at the Kids Early Learning Educator Conference, and it's all about networking and workshops and learning things that we can apply in our centres.
The keynote speakers and the session speakers were very passionate and knowledgeable in what they were talking about.
I really recommend this conference for anyone that's interested in going, purely for the fact that you communicate with other educators, you're networking around, you receive a lot of knowledge as well as confidence, and you learn other resources for the field.